Welcome back to Rachel B's A Healthy We. Today we're going to be making a 2-ingredient base ice cream that we're going to turn into a super yummy caramel macchiato. Here are the ingredients we're going to use today, and let's get started. You're going to start off by whipping your heavy whipping cream until you get soft or medium peaks. To that, we're going to add the sweetened condensed milk. I know this one's quite dark, but it's because it's homemade. You do have to make it from scratch if you truly do want sugar-free. If you're interested in that recipe, feel free to go to rachelbthehealthywe.com where it is listed. Now we're adding in the vanilla extract. This step is optional, but I certainly recommend it as the alcohol will assist in giving you a scoopable ice cream. We're going to go ahead and fold that in. If you stop here, you have a nice vanilla ice cream that you can make whatever flavor you want. But since we're making ours caramel macchiato, I'm going to go ahead and add in our coffee, which is instant coffee with just enough water to make it liquid. We're going to fold that in as well. Once that's well combined, we're going to move on to our chocolate sauce. This is made up of chocolate chips and a little bit of heavy cream, nuked until you get a nice soft sauce. Once that's completed, we're going to go ahead and put it in a freezer-safe dish and place it in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, depending upon your freezer, possibly even overnight. I used the chocolate salted caramel flavored Lily's baking chips. These really gave a wonderful caramel flavor. Once fully frozen, you now have a scoopable ice cream, unlike every other alternative recipe that has no sugar in it I've ever tried, which is hard as a rock. Thanks for watching!